Hey, hi, welcome back. In this video, I will share a way where you can earn up to 1 lakh per month by just creating UGC AI videos. I will show you how you can do that. So this is the favor, like I have opened the favor and you can see how much people were charging for AI based UGC ads. UGC stands for user generated content. All the brands that you see these days, they need user generated content. If someone reviews their product and upload it online, it will gain more attraction than the brand itself promoting their product. Take it anything, it might be a cool drink brand, it might be a chocolate brand, it might be a pizza, it might be anything. So all products need users to share their opinion through videos, and that is what we call UGC ads. Brand will collaborate with many users to create ads, and in return, like, they will offer some product discounts or free products, or even the product videos, the mobile videos or mobile launch videos that you see on YouTube. I mean, the mobile review videos, all these were UGC videos. If a user reviews a products, then ultimately it will have more trust factor than brand itself promoting it. So UGC ads were always in demand. So unlike now, like with the help of Gemini Pro, Google VO3 is a recent addition to Gemini. You can create UGC apps instantly, and I will show you how you can do that. Like, this is how, like, freelancers in favor were charging for single UGC video. They were charging maybe $30 or somewhere between 2000 to 3000 INR. And like, there were many different ways you can directly reach out to brands, or you can post it in your social media so that brands will have an eye on your ad or the video content that you have shared. So let me create one video using VO3, and I will like explain you how you can do that step by step. So I have opened Gemini. uh, like, I have asked, first thing I did was, so I have shared what ad that I want to create and asked prompt to Gemini itself. So I have asked the video creation prompt from Gemini. So I said, like, I want to create a UGC ad for a product called Pizza World. So I just assume like Pizza World is a pizza brand, and I asked an UGC ad. I like explained in a way that, so a hungry couple ordered a pizza, and the delivery boy with the branded t-shirts rings the doorbell and delivered the pizza. And like, the couple like satisfied by satisfying their hunger, and there is a voice in the background. So this is what I asked, and I asked Gemini Pro a prompt. You can see in the end, I want a prompt to create this ad in VO3 video editor. So this is what I have asked, and this is the prompt that Gemini gave me. Now what I will do is, like, just click video here. So like, now you will be redirected to a new chat. Here I just paste my prompt that Gemini gave. So now, just remove this. So this is maybe you can remove these stars. So now Google VO3 will create video for me. And like, if you are a student, or if you're someone with valid identity card, then you can get Gemini Pro for an year for free. So now I'm just clicking enter. So now Google VO3 will create a video for me. It might take 1 to 2 minutes, but that's it. Like, that's all you need to wait for a UGC based ad. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Let's wait and see the output. So yeah, the ad has been created. Let's see the ad. So this is so cool, right? It same like what I have asked. An hungry couple with a kind of sadness, like they ordered pizza from their mobile, and delivery boy with a branded T-shirt, like he delivered, and they were eating happily with a voiceover in the back, and maybe you can't hear the voiceover because of this recording, but there is a voiceover as well. So this looks so cool, right? So realistic as well. And yeah, this is how you can create UGC based ads using VO3 instantly. It hardly took 2 minutes for me to create this video. You can download it, and you can maybe in Fiverr, like, you can post a gig, something like this. Or if you have a brand in your mind, you can just create a UGC ad for that brand and post it on social media, so that like brands can easily get some traction of your content. Or if you know any local brand in your locality or in your town or city, ask them that you can create UGC ads for them for a minimal price or something. So in this way you can create multiple ads for multiple brands or multiple clients. But creating UGC ads just require creativity and minimal amount of time. But yeah, if you can build this hustle of creating UGC ads and posting it online or selling it to brands, then ultimately this is a good earning opportunity these days, because ads like this needs crores of investment. But nowadays like it's easy, anyone can do it in 2 to 3 minutes, and all these were really good looking. You can maybe also upload a brand image or a name of the brand and ask it to customize it. It will do that. See, I have asked a green color box for Pizza World and asked a pizza icon and Pizza World name, and this is exactly what I have got here. So this is a good way to earn some decent income. I hope you found this video helpful. If you feel anyone else would get benefit from this, please make sure you share this video with them. Also, if you are new visited to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content on air on regular basis. Thank you for watching.